You ready? Man, Cape Town traffic is just insane. Okay, so where am I? I am at the waterfront. What am I doing here? It's kind of a bit of a story. Hold on to the edge of your seat. The story is insane. It was like a couple of years ago. Maybe it wasn't a couple, maybe it was like a year ago. I got this email from Aquarium. Got this email from the aquarium and they said to me like, hey, can we use some of your water footage? So I was like, yeah, sure, of course you can, but on one condition. And that is like, I really want to go and dive with sharks. And they were like, yeah, of course we can, but just not right now because the sharks are being like acclimatized and all that type of thing. And I was like, yeah, I can wait. It's not a problem, I can wait. And I waited. And I waited and I waited, and then eventually I emailed them and said like, hey, let's do this. And they said, yeah, okay, cool, but you can't do it with the sharks. No one's diving with the sharks, not open to the public, but we have something just as good. And that's what leads me here today, a year and a half later, or a year later. I can't remember. Maybe that story wasn't as interesting as I thought it was. Oh, and you notice something's a little bit different. I'm recording with GoPro. I'm doing the whole vlog on GoPro, the Hero 7. Why? Because I can, it's good enough to do it, and it's just smaller and more compact. Thanks, GoPro. I love you. Hey, how's it going? Good, man. Everyone, this is Ian, professional diver and top class bloke. And he's Scottish, don't judge him.
I'll talk slow so you can understand.
So going in the back, oh, hey, I'm just videoing, you go ahead, bro. Going the back ways and up these stairs. Oh, hey Ian, sorry to keep you waiting there.
No, it's just I don't want to walk away and lose you. We'll find people 3 weeks later and they're dehydrated and starving.
Sweet. Alright, so in this pool, it's 6 meters deep. It has like rays and turtles and some not so dangerous sharks. I've never done something like this before. Anyway, I have to go through this kind of induction. So if you don't have like a PADI license, which is a diving license, you can come do this short course in the morning with them and they will just train you on like the basics so that you can just dive to like a certain amount of meters and do it safely with a qualified person. And that's what I'm doing today.
Welcome. Your adventure begins, I love this, and your adventure begins here.
Yes.
So the first thing we say is it's not a certification course.
This next section is me just really learning how to do the basics. So let's just skip forward, shall we? Well, we are ready to go in. Oh, hey, what's up? How's it going, Sandy?
Problems with it.
Insane. What an amazing experience. This thing won't leave us alone. Ian, that was amazing.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Wow. Ian works with the Two Oceans Aquarium, and they provide these types of experiences for people. Ian also provides PADI licenses and a whole range of different weird and wonderful things that they go do, scuba diving around the Cape area. So guys, if you want to do something like this, I'll leave all the details above. Thank you to Two Oceans Aquarium. This is not a paid endorsement as well. It's just them being pretty awesome. Go like my page above, share this so that other people can see the awesome things that are here available in Cape Town. Peace out.